In Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War, choosing the right loadout for zombies can make all the difference between surviving waves and being overwhelmed by the horde. One of the best loadouts focuses on a combination of powerful weapons, strategic perks, and effective field upgrades. You're going to start with ray gun, okay? Start with the ray gun, a classic choice known for its high damage output and splash effect, perfect for clearing groups of zombies. Complement it with a secondary weapon like the DMR 14 or AUG, both of which have high accuracy and damage, especially useful for taking out high health enemies at a distance. Perks are crucial for survival. Juggernog is a must-have to increase your health, while Speed Cola allows you to reload faster, keeping you in the fight longer. Stamin-Up is also useful as it helps you maintain speed while, kiting zombies or escaping tight situations. Additionally, Quick Revive can save you in solo play, providing faster revives.